Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on CEX.io. CEX.io is a crypto exchange where you can buy, sell and store digital currencies. To use full features like deposits, withdrawals and higher limits, you must complete your identity verification on your PC, and this process confirms you are the real user and helps secure your account. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and you can go to your address bar and type down cex.io and enter it. Over here, once you get into this interface of this account, what you can do is you can simply select to this top right icon here of your profile, and you can go to this verification under, and over here make sure you've already logged into your account, and you can select to your verify identity here. It also requires your address, enhanced documents, government ID as well. You can click onto this verify here and simply go to this verify on the web on the bottom there, and you can enter your residential areas, state here as well, and you need to continue each time. You can also select a document, your type, passport, national ID, driver's license as well, and enter your personal details, your full name, DOB, date of birth, address, country, and upload your identity document. You also need to use your PC camera or phone for the face verification, and you can submit and wait for the approval, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.